Teachers, are you still marking quizzes manually? Let me show you a tool that marks itself, collects feedback instantly, and saves hours of your time. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Leah, and let's dive into Microsoft Forms. Microsoft Form is a simple tool inside Microsoft 365 that helps you create quizzes, surveys, feedback forms in just 1 minute. Without wasting time, let me take you through step by step on how to create forms and eventually add questions. Teachers, to get you started, you go to your browser and once there you type forms.microsoft.com. So actually once you're here, you will see a dashboard where you can create a new form or quizzes. So I'm going to click on a new form. So once I click there, it will give me an empty form and it's untitled. So I'm just going to add a title. Let me say it's a feedback form. And a feedback form, then I'll give a description. Please provide feedback below to help us improve. There I've given the description. Now this is now your working space where we will start now adding questions. So what I'm going to do is to click add new. So once here you will see different question types. We have multiple choice, we have true or false. You know, there are a number of them as you can see on my screen. So I'm going to click on the multiple choice and then I'll start typing my question. Now question 1, how would you rate the overall quality of the session? Let me use that. Option 1, I'll write excellent. Option 2, I'll type good. And then you can see I'm able to add other options. You just come down there where we have a plus sign, add option, and you click on that. You can see I already have option 3. I'll write fair. Again, I'll repeat the same thing to add another option. You can see we have poor. So once I'm through with that, I can add another question or I can go with this first one. But first, what you need to do is to come down here and turn on the multiple choice. You turn on multiple choice answer, and then you also turn on required. So for quizzes, you'll have to choose a correct answer. You just click on the answer you want: excellent, good, fair, or poor. And then I can also add a second question. Question 2, was the content relevant? Was the content relevant? Was the content relevant to the teaching? To the teaching needs? Let me do with that. So again, option 1, I'll say yes. Option 2, I'll say no. Then allow me to add option 3, partially. And then again I'll turn on the multiple choice. Now once you are done with typing in the questions that you had, now I want you to check the bottom now of my screen. Now we are going to now share this with others, because we are trying to collect feedback. So I will come to you see the share button at the middle, or you can see my questions are here. So what I'm going to do, once when your form is ready, you click share and you choose. So you can share using a link, QR code, you can embed, you can share to Facebook, you just choose what you want. In this case, I want to use a link, so that is what I'm going to click on. As you can see, I've opted for the link. Now I'm going to try to test this link on my WhatsApp. Now I'll just go to WhatsApp, my WhatsApp, and I'll send it to me. I'll send it to me. So I'll come here and paste. And as you can see, it is there. I can open it. And there you can see the form is ready. So what you'll just do, let me give you an overview of what you can do. If it is good, you just click on good. You can see I've chosen that. And then, was the content relevant to the teaching needs? I'll click on yes, and then I'll submit. Teachers, it's that simple. So you can see I'll save my response, and that's it. You now know how to create a form and add quizzes in minutes. Isn't this just wonderful, teachers? If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with another teacher who needs it.